Hello student, in last session we learned that various properties of multiplication. In this video we are going to learn properties of division. Properties of division. Properties of division of integers are similar to the properties of division of whole number. First property is closure property. Closure property. The closure property in division does not hold good for integers. If a and b are two integers, then a divided by b is not always an integer. For example, -3 divided by 4, -4 divided by 5, -4 divided by -3, and 2 divided by 5 are not integers. Our next property is commutative and associative property. Commutative and associative property. Commutative and associative property. As in the case of whole number, this property do not hold good in division of integers. As in the case of whole number, for example 10 is a whole number. This property do not hold good in division of integer. Thus a divided by b not equals to b divided by a. Expect a equals to b not equals to 0. Okay, then a divided by inner bracket b divided by c not equals to a divided by b inner bracket divided by c. In multiplication and addition, we learn that when we multiply 1, 2 or more than 2 numbers, multiplication, we multiply or add in any way, that time answer will be same. But in division, that rule is not allowed. Next property is third number property, identity property. Identity property. In this property, see, a is an integer. A is an integer. A is an integer. A divided by 1, answer is a. For example, -5 divided by 1, answer is -5. 6 divided by 1, answer is 6. It means in multiplication property we learn that when we multiply any number to 1, the answer is number itself. Like that, this property also in division, when we divide any integers to 1, the answer is integer. Our next property, number 4 property, is zero property. Zero property. In this property, for any non-zero integer a, that time 0 divided by a, the answer is 0. For example, 0 divided by 1, Answer is 0. 0 divided by negative 10. Answer is 0. 0 divided by 90. That time also answer is 0. Division by 0 is not defined in integer also. This one property also we learn in a multiplication. When we multiply any number to 0, the answer is 0. Like that, this property used in properties of division. When we divide 0 to any number, that time answer is 0. Next property is division by the integers. Division by the integers. Division by the integer itself or its additive inverse. If a is an non-zero integer, if a is an non-zero integer, that time a divided by a, the answer is 1. A divided by a, answer is 1. And a divided by negative a divided by negative a, that time answer is negative 1. For example, negative 6 divided by negative 6, answer is positive 1. And when we divide 6 divided by negative 6, answer is negative 1. This is division of integers itself or additive inverse. Okay. And last one is division by 0. Division by 1. We learned that division by 0, but this one is division by negative 1. Okay. If a is an integer, and when we divide a divided by negative 1, the answer is negative a. When we divide a to negative 1, the answer is negative a. It means the sign of negative 1 goes to integers. Okay. For example, 3 divided by negative 1, the answer is negative 3. Negative 3 divided by negative 1, that time answer is positive 3. So this is all properties of division. I think you get very well. If you like this video, please subscribe and forward to your friend. Thank you.